Good. Okay. To a fifth question. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So continuing with recurring deposit today also question number 5 from Selena. Question is a man recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. Time is 3.5 years. Fine. It means it is 3 into 12. Sorry, sorry. 3 into 12 plus 6 months. Is it? Now it becomes 12 threes are 36 plus 6. It becomes 42 months. Fine. So what next we have? Now rate of interest is 12%. Fine. And what else? What is given you? And per annum, and the man gets 10,000 on maturity. Very nice. He is getting 10,000 10,206 rupees. Amount he is getting. So find the value of monthly installment. Monthly installment. We have to find monthly installment. Right. So principal is, oh my god. Hmm. Let it be. Let principal be x. Yeah. Sorry. Let mi be rupees x per month. Right? Okay. So a is equal to mi into n bracket 1 plus n plus 1 into r upon 2,700. Fine. This is. So now we substitute the value here. So it becomes 10,206 is equal to x into 42. 42 bracket uh, 1 plus 43 into 12 upon 2,400. Fine. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. It is 200. I hope you get this much. Okay, so now 10,206 is equal to 42x bracket. We have taken 2 as an LCM, 200 as an LCM, right? So it becomes 200 plus 43. I am doing in short. So 200 plus 43. Okay. So you get 10,206 is equal to 42x bracket into 243 upon 200. Oh, sorry, it's 200. Fine. So this is divided by 2, you get 21. This is, you get 100, right? So now you get x is equal to 10,206 into 100 upon 21 into 243. Is it okay? Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 0. It is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, right? So this is 0 and 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21, right? Now it is divisible by 7 fours are 28, 6 7 is 56. Yeah, it is 7 also, right? 7 fours are 28. 34 minus 28, you get 6 and 0. 7 eights are 56, right? 56 and you get 4 or 4, so 42, 7 6 are 42. Get it? Now this 243 twos are 486, 1 ja 2. So x is equal to rupees 200. So what is your answer? Anyway, oh, it happens, it happens. Get it? I can understand. Okay, now the next question which you would like to ask, what is that question? Anyway, you ask, I'll tell you. You told me. Tell me the number, please. Should I rub it? Should I rub it? Okay. Question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 is like this. What is that? A recurring deposit account of rupees. So RD account of rupees 1200 per month. Per month. Okay. Okay. So keep writing. Actually, because since question is quite big, we have to find time. So I have to rub something, right? So for month as a maturity, he gets 12,440 rupees, right? Right. If the rate of interest is 8%, then you have to find, and interest is calculated at the end of every month. That doesn't matter. Find the time of this recurring deposit account. So we have to find n, right? So what we formula have is a is equal to mi into n bracket 1 plus 1 plus n plus 1 upon R upon 2400, right? So this is 12,440 and mi is 1200, so mi I bring on this side, right? 1200 is equal to n bracket 1 plus n plus 1 into r is 8 upon 2400. 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 300. Okay, so 12440 upon, if we divide this by 4, 4 3s are 12, 4110, and this is 300, right? So now we get 3110 upon 300 is equal to, no, I'm not doing it. There is certain reason behind that. You will see here. Now 300 we have taken as a common, we have taken as an LCM, so it becomes 300, 300 plus 300 plus n plus 1. Getting? 1 is gone, right? Now this 300 and 300 is gone, right? So now we get 3110, sorry, 3110 is equal to 300 and 300, 301 कर लेते हैं, because when we open this bracket, so this is, they gone added together, so we can write it 301 into n plus n squared. Get it? This is we have. Now n square plus 301 n minus 3100 is equal to 0. Right? Now, oh my god. Yeah, so you can write here b square minus 4ac. Sorry, first a is equal to 1, b is equal to 301, and c is equal to minus 3110. Right? Now we have discriminant b square minus 4ac. Right? So now we put the values here. So it becomes 301 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 3110. Right? Now this is, here it is minus. So here it will be minus. So yeah, right. Wait for a while. 301 into 301. It is 90,601. Right? It is 90,601 minus minus plus, and you multiply this, 3, I hope 3110 110 multiplied by 4, you get 12,440. 440. Now when you add these two, how much you get? Can you tell me the square? What I said you, 90,601. That comes 1 lakh 3,041. Right. Now this is, since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so two distinct real roots. Getting? Now we take, if I take square root of b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, so it becomes how much? Let me check it out. Will you tell me this number, 1,03,041 again? Okay, when I ask. So yeah, it is 1,03,000, 1,03,041. Yeah, so this is the perfect square root of 321. 321. 321. It is perfect square. When it is a perfect square, then zeros will be rational number. Zeros will be rational number. I hope you understand up to here. Okay, 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 okay. So now I would like to rub this part, right? This part I'm going to rub. So as you studied quadratic equation, n is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? So n is equal to b is 301 and minus, so minus 301 plus minus, and this is the square root of 103,041, right? Upon 2, a is 1, 2 into 1, right? Yeah, so now n is equal to minus 301 plus minus this is 3, perfect square is 321, 321 upon 2. Now getting? Okay, now we will bifurcate. What we will do, first we take n is equal to minus 301 minus 321 upon 2. So how much you get? Minus 6222. ठीक है, 2 3s are 311. Since it is a negative value, so not applicable. Not, not applicable. Right. And if I go for the next one next is n is equal to, is it visible? Minus 301 uh, uh, minus 301 plus 321 upon 2, right? So n is equal to minus 321 plus 320 minus 301 plus 321, so it is minus, and since 321 is having greater numerical value, so we'll take sign of plus, and 321 301 yeah 321 minus 301 becomes 20, so 20 by 2, it becomes 10. So this is 10 months, right? This is 10 months. Is it correct? If you change it in years, then it can be 10 upon 12. It becomes 5 by 6 years. 5 by 6 years. Can you check the answer? Do you have answer? No. So this is, we can write here 10 months, 10 months, or 10 by 12 becomes 5 by 6 years. Right. Okay. So this was your question. I told you this is very complicated. You have to solve through, because this equation is quite big. You cannot solve it by factorization method. So that's why it's quite tricky. Right. Anyway, so this was question number 9. So remaining you have done. This first exercise you have completed. No, and which I was telling you yesterday, something you have done from that? No, okay, fine. I did up to 7th. So you did 6th from there? Yeah, you did question 6 from that book. Anyway, now come to question number 12 first. You have very much curiosity for that, so we should solve that first. Okay, come to question number 12. Should I rub this? Hopefully, yes. Hopefully, yes. Yeah. Okay. Question number 12. Visibility, visibility is clear. Question number 12. Question is like that. Sunita has a recurring deposit account in a bank, right? RD account, RD account, right? And there is, and MI is rupees 2000 per month, right? Per month. per month at the rate of 10%. Very nice. Now and she gets at the maturity, that is you know, amount at the maturity is 83,100. 83,100 she is getting at the time of maturity. Right. So again you have to find the time n. So we use the same formula, is equal to mi into n bracket 1 plus n plus 1 into r upon 2400. Right? Why I'm writing every time formula? No. What I'm doing to demonstrate you, if I'm writing formula every time, so you should also write formula every time. Because in mathematics, in mathematics, it is very difficult to learn the formula in extra time. You know. So during solving the question, every time you write formula, when you write formula, either your answer is correct or wrong. That does not matter, but at least you must be familiar with the formula, and formula comes in your blood, right? So what happens if it comes in your blood, then when you write formula, and if you write wrong formula, so your brain will stimulate you that something is wrong, right? So that's why in mathematics, either you in class 10th, class 11th, class 12th, when you solve question, write formula every time, right? So you have not to learn it in extra time, right? That's why every time I'm writing formula, just for your sake. So mi is 2000, mi is 2000 into n is, we have to find out, 1 plus n plus 1, and r is 10% upon 2400, right? So again, what we have done this 0 and 0 cancelled out, right? These these two zeros and these two zeros are gone, right? Uh, Nothing to be done. Okay, so this is 831 is equal to 20 n bracket. We have taken 240 as an LCM, so it becomes 200. This 10 is gone, now. So this 10 is gone, so it becomes 200. Sorry. It's 240, 240 plus n plus 1. Like this. This again it is 0 cancelled out. 2 1 jar 2. This is 12. Right. Now you cross multiply this. So 831 into 12 is equal to 241 n plus n square. Getting? So when you multiply this, how much you will get? 12 1 are 12, we get 2. 1 carry, 12 threes are 36, 36 and 1 37, 7, 3 carry, right? 12 8, 12 8 are 96, 96 plus 3 99. Is it correct? So it becomes 241 n plus n square, right? Now again, in the same manner, we arrange n square plus 241n and minus 9972 is equal to 0. Oh my god. So again, we get is equal to is equal to 1, B is equal to 241 and C is equal to minus 9972. So we use B square minus 4AC, so it becomes 241 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus into minus 9972, right? So what we will do now, can you get the square of 241? Okay, so this is 241 into 241, it is 58,081. 58,000 81, 81, right? Minus minus plus. Now this is how much? 4 into 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. We get 2, 4 9s are 36, 2 38. We get 3, 4 9s are 36 and 3 39. Getting 88. 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. Yeah. Sleeping with open eyes. 39,888. This is how much? 97,000. 97,000. 97,969. Right? Now, square root of b square minus 4ac is equal to square root of 97,969. Right? So, how much it will be? This is 303. It is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. 303. It is a perfect square. Perfect square. So zeros will be rational number. Right? Is this what you have done? Should I rub this part? Due to the crisis of space, I have to rub this part. So now n is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. right? N is equal to minus b. Minus b is how much? That is 241. 241 plus minus square root 97,000 97,969 upon 2 into 1, right? So now n is equal to minus 241 plus minus 313 upon 2. Again we divide. Again we divide in two parts. There will be two zeros. So n is equal to minus 241 minus 303 upon 2. So you get how much? 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 4 plus 4 plus 1 becomes 5. And 3 plus 2 becomes 5 minus 2. So it becomes 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. And it is in minus, right? Since this is negative value, negative, so not applicable. Not applicable. Now we come to the next. That is n is equal to, that is n is equal to minus 241 plus 313 upon 2. So can you tell me how much will be the difference? My math is very weak. So can you tell me? But I can't trust you. 2, 2, 11. 11 minus 4 becomes 7. So 72 upon 2, it becomes 36. So n is equal to 36 months, right? So time is equal to 36 divided by 12. 12 threes are 36. It becomes 3 years. 3 years. So that time is 3 years. In 3 years time, huh? Huh? Oh yeah, it's 36 months. Sorry, 36 months. 36 months, and time is equal to 12 threes are 3 years. Very nice. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, so now come to question number 6. Seventh, I did for you. Up to seventh, I did for you. This question I left yesterday because I don't want to make you puzzle. And this time we have two questions are related to time. And you find out what I said you. It's a bit tricky because the equation is going to be very high, right? So that's why you have to put a lot of efforts, and it should be in correct direction, right? Anyway, now you are going to solve question number 6. Do it, man. Will you read the question, please? Okay, okay, okay. That's challenging. Your board is visible to you, no? So let me prepare myself. You start answers. Read, you read. So, yeah, yeah. Bank account. Okay, so cumulative, cumulative bank account, bank account, right? So every month MI is rupees 600. Now for 4 years, so time is 4 years. So N is equal to 12 into 4 is equal to 48 months. Month. Okay, then at maturity. At maturity, no, maturity. Acha, he gets rupees 5,000 as interest at the time of maturity. It is interest. It is interest. So interest is 5,880. Fine. Hmm. Ah. So we have to find rate of interest. Fine. Okay. So interest is equal to mi into n bracket n plus 1 into r upon 2400, something like this. Okay, so 5880 is equal to 600 into 48 into 49 into r upon 2000, right? So 600 1 is 600 and 600 fours are 2400, and this is 12. This is 12, right? 12 fours are 48. Yeah, it is cut. It will cut. It is 4 4 4 12 fours are 48. It is, and 48 108 4 nines are 4 nines are 108 and 0. So it is 490 is equal to 49 R. So R is equal to 49 upon 49. It becomes 10%. Getting? So this is the you're done. Now come to question number 5. What is that? Question number 5. Joseph deposited rupees 600 per month in the fixed deposit account. So MI is rupees 600, and in the post office farm time is 4 whole 1 upon 2 years. So 48 plus 6 becomes 54 months. Hey, Bhagwan. Ah, This is month. Right. Now, for find the amount payable to him at maturity. Rate of interest is equal to 9%. So amount at maturity is equal to MI into N bracket 1 plus N plus 1 into R upon 2400. Right? So amount MI is 600 and time is 54 months bracket 1 plus 55 into rate of interest is 9. It was going to be complicated. Oh my god. So what we will do? 3 threes are 9, and this is 3 8s are 800. 800. Now, if we divide it by 5, so it we get 11, and it is 160. 160. So this is 33. So amount is equal to 600 into 54, right? Bracket. This is 160 plus 33 upon 160. Getting? So this 160 turns to be 193. 160 plus 33 becomes 193. So I can write here, I have an added advantage. I can write here 193, right? I remove this 0 and this 0. Now, अब क्या करेंगे भाई? अब अब हम करेंगे 4 से करते हैं. 4 1 जा 4, 4 5 जा 60, right? And this is 4 4 जा 16. So now we get 15 into 54 into 193 divided by 4. Can you solve it? Do it. Do it. So this is coming 1,56,330 divided by 4. Right? When you divide it by 4, oh my god, that is around, yes, 39,082.5. Did you get this? I send you the answer of this, so check it out. Is it correct? So what is amount? 39,082 rupees and 0.50 rupees. Right? This much. Fifth. So we have done up to fifth. Hmm? So, so can we call off now today? Now four questions are left.